Hi everyone, today we're making Chinese-style spiced beef. It's tender, flavorful, and perfect for your dinner table. It could be consumed hot as a main dish or served cold as an appetizer. And as always, very simple to make and totally foolproof. So let's get started. The dish is also known as 5-spice or soy sauce braised beef shank. As the name suggests, ingredients are mostly just beef shank and seasonings, which include dry spices, condiments, and fresh spices. The first step is to marinate the beef. Soak the beef shank in cold water for at least 3 hours. This is to force out the blood in the beef and to take away the gamey flavor. Add light and dark soy sauce, Shaoxing cooking wine, soybean paste, and sweet bean sauce to marinate. Soy sauce adds some salty umami flavor and some color. Shaoxing cooking wine neutralizes the gamey taste in the meat. Soybean paste has a strong fermented soy fragrance, while sweet bean sauce, also known as 甜面 sauce, adds a hint of natural fermented sweetness. Let it marinate overnight. Now moving on to the next day, we can start to braise the beef shank. Transfer the marinated beef with the sauces to a pot. Add in all the rest of the ingredients, dried spices, which are common Chinese spices for braised dishes, including all spices in the very famous Chinese 5-spice. Cover with water and fresh spices, ginger, green onion, we can tie it into a knot, and some rock sugar. On high heat, bring it to boil. Then turn down to medium-low, let it simmer for 2 hours. Braising is a very common way of cooking in Chinese cuisine. Even though it usually takes hours to complete, it's actually a very simple way of cooking compared to other Chinese cooking methods, such as, say, stir-frying, because you can hardly overcook or undercook a braised dish. And the cooking is done. But we have one last step before we could enjoy the beef shank at its finest. That is to soak the beef in the spice stock overnight, which will help to intensify the flavors. After soaking, take out the beef shank. As for the leftover braising stock, we can use it to braise almost any other foods, such as tofu, mushrooms, and eggs, or just save and freeze it for future use. Slice the beef shank into thin pieces. Plate them, pour on some braising stock, and optionally garnish with some cilantro and chili peppers. And there you have it! Beef slices are tender and juicy. Every slice has this beautiful combination of tendon and meat, and a very refined flavor, savory, sweet, and very well spiced. The dish can be consumed hot as a main dish or served cold as an appetizer. Or if you're feeling creative like me, we can even make a sandwich out of it. I usually like to put together the spiced beef sandwich with some lettuce and cucumber. Hope you enjoy this dish and stay tuned for more.